Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to display your past experience details on your LinkedIn profile using the latest update, all from your PC. If you want recruiters and connections to see your full professional journey, including your previous roles, this step-by-step guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on the Me icon to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can see all your information, including your headline, summary, and work experience. Now, look for the section on the right labeled Public Profile and URL. Next to this section, you'll notice a small pencil or edit icon. Click on this icon to access your public profile settings. In the public profile settings, scroll down until you find the section titled Past Experience. Here, you'll see an option to enable or disable the visibility of your past experience details. To make sure your previous roles are visible to anyone viewing your public profile, simply toggle the switch to enable details under past experience. Once you've enabled this setting, your past job titles, companies, and descriptions will be displayed on your public LinkedIn profile. This makes it easier for potential employers, clients, or collaborators to see your complete work history at a glance. Don't forget to review your changes and make sure everything looks the way you want it. If you ever want to hide your past experience again, just follow these steps and toggle the switch off. That's it. You've successfully updated your LinkedIn profile to show your past experience details using the new update. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and LinkedIn tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.